Hello students, I am Dr. Jyoti Vaingankar. I am from PSC's RSN College of Arts and Science, Farmagudi, Goa. I am here to present a module in the subject of botany. Name of the module is Composition of Culture Media. This module consists of the concept of culture medium and the composition of culture medium. At the end of this module, you will be able to explain the concept of culture medium and describe the composition of culture medium. In nature, plants can synthesize their own food material, but plants growing in vitro are heterotrophic. Growth and differentiation of plant tissue cultures in the laboratory depends upon the composition of culture medium. The basic requirements of cultured plant tissues are similar to those of whole plant, but in practice, nutritional components promoting optimal growth of a tissue under laboratory condition may vary for each species. The composition of media depends on the plant species and the type of material used, that is, cells, tissues, organs, or protoplast. Therefore, media compositions are formulated taking into consideration specific requirements of a particular culture system. Culture media used can be solid or it can be liquid. Major types of culture media used are White's medium, developed by P.R. White, one of the earliest plant tissue culture media developed for root culture. Murashik and Skook, MS medium, formulated by T. Murashik and Skook. Murashik and Skook, MS medium, formulated by T. Murashik and F. K. Skook. It was originally formulated to induce organogenesis and regeneration of plants in cultured tissues. Now, MS medium is widely used for many types of culture systems. B5 medium was developed by O.L. Gambach. It was originally designed for cell suspension and callus culture. Presently, with some modifications, it is used for protoplast culture. N6 medium formulated by Chu and it is used for cereal anther culture. Nitz medium formulated by J.P. Nitz and it is used for anther culture. Among all the media referred above, MS medium is most preferred in plant tissue culture work. For plant nutrition and their physiological functions, many elements are required. These elements have to be supplied in the culture medium to support adequate growth and cultures in vitro. The principal components of most plant tissue culture media are inorganic nutrients, carbon and energy source, organic supplements, growth regulators, solidifying agents, double distilled water, and a pH of 5.8. The inorganic nutrient consists of macronutrients and micronutrients. A wide range of mineral salts supply the macro and micronutrients. The inorganic salts in water undergo dissociation and ionization. Macronutrients are required by plant in large quantities, that is more than 0.5 millimolar per liter. They are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen are obtained from the environment. Micronutrients are required in traces, that is less than 0.5 millimolar per liter, but they are essential for plant cells and tissues. These include iron, manganese, zinc, boron, copper, and molybdenum. Among these micronutrients, iron requirement is very critical. Since plants, cells and tissues in the culture medium are heterotrophic, therefore they depend on external carbon energy. Since plant cells and tissues in the culture medium are heterotrophic, therefore they depend on the external carbon for energy, and sucrose is the most preferred source. During the process of sterilization of the medium by autoclaving, sucrose gets hydrolyzed to glucose and fructose. The organic supplements include vitamins, organic acids, amino acids, and natural plant extracts. The vitamins added to the media include thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pyridoxine, folic acid, pantothenic acid, biotin, ascorbic acid, myoinositol, para-aminobenzoic acid, and vitamin E. Addition of Organic nitrogen in the form of amino acids such as L-glutamine, L-asparagine, L-arginine, L-cysteine is more readily taken up than inorganic nitrogen by the plant cells. Addition of Krebs cycle intermediates such as citrate, malate, succinate or fumarate allow the growth of plant cells. Pyruvate also enhances the growth of cultured cells. The culture media is supplemented with natural plant extracts such as yeast extract, casein hydrolysate, coconut milk, orange juice, tomato juice and potato extract. Growth regulators, they promote growth, development and differentiation of plant. Four broad classes of growth regulators or hormones used for culture of plant cells are auxins, cytokinins, gibberellins and abscisic acid. Auxins induce cell division, cell elongation and formation of callus in cultures. Indole 3-acetic acid, naphthalene acetic acid, 2,4-dichlorophenolic acetic acid are used. Cytokinins are involved in cell division, modification of apical dominance, shoot differentiation and somatic embryo formation. Benzyl aminopurine, furfuryl aminopurine, zeatin or 2-IP isopentenyl adenine are used in tissue culture media. Ratio of auxins and cytokinin, the relative concentrations of growth factors like auxins and cytokinins are important for the morphogenesis of culture system. When the ratio of auxins to cytokinins is high, embryogenesis, callus initiation and root initiation occur. For axillary and shoot proliferation, the ratio of auxins to cytokinins is low. Initiation and maintenance of callus culture requires both auxin and cytokinin. About 20 different gibberellins have been identified as growth regulators and GA3 is the most commonly used for tissue culture. The callus growth of cultures may be stimulated or inhibited by abscisic acid. Supplementation of the medium with activated charcoal stimulates the growth and differentiation of certain plant cells such as carrot, tomato and orchids. Some toxic or inhibitory compounds such as phenols produced by cultured plants are removed through adsorption by activated charcoal and this facilitates efficient cell growth in culture. Quantity of these constituents varies among the different media. Here we will learn about the composition of most widely used medium in plant tissue culture, that is Moraschig and Skook medium. In this table, we can see the different chemicals used for the preparation of MS basal medium. These are the references and this is an additional reference. Thank you.